Today I'm gonna show you how to set up the Kia Niro cruise control and speed limiter. This is the button for the cruise control and speed limiter. If you press it once, it's for cruise control. If you press it twice, it's for the speed limiter. See here, you use this plus and minus button to set the speed. Press it down like that, and obviously you're using the same button to increase and decrease the speed of. See, if you press it down, it will go down, and then if you want to increase the speed, right, you press up, it will go up. Yeah, it's very simple. This is a Kia Niro 2023. The interior is like this, okay, and over here you got temperature control here. Yeah, temperature control, and obviously the fan is here to increase or to decrease. Aircon is here. Yeah, to switch, if you want to switch it to all the function, you press the button there. Radios there, media, and everything else is here. Yeah, the volumes here. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you, bye.